Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I have this. Okay, today is just good to be back, and I'm so happy to see you again after I think 1 week. And I have this Indian skincare haul, and I'm gonna show you what I got, what I have been trying out these days. Even though I've been trying out Korean skincare products, I'm gonna review those things. I'm gonna make videos about certain ingredients, then buy or not to buy series, then sunscreen. Many things are coming, so hold on. Let's start with this haul. First, I have this brand called Earth Rhythm, and many of you have asked me to pick something from this brand, and I picked this Chameleon Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair serum. I had high hopes from this serum because the ingredients are really good, but I have mixed feelings about this product. I'm gonna talk about this in details. So next thing I have from this brand is their what is it? Shea butter and hibiscus hair butter, and I have not tried this product yet. The ingredient list, oh my god, this very difficult to open.
Okay. I should eat more almonds. I can't feel it.
Okay, I did it. So yeah, I have not tried out this product yet, but I have high hopes because the ingredients are really good. Then I have been trying out their lip and cheek tint. The shade name is Marmot, and I prefer this on my cheeks, than my lips. The formula is very decent. I don't like the color though. On the picture it looked different, but when I got this, it is kind of a neon pink kind of a color. To be very honest, I don't like this color on my lips, but the formula wise it is good. On my cheeks, I like this. I might order another shade from this line, and the ingredients are decent, the performance is alright, but is it the best lip tint I have tried? No, it is not, but this is okay. Up next I have Sugandha with me, and I have their Scintilla cleanser, and this is the unscented version. And previously I have tried this face wash which was scented. I didn't know they had unscented version, and the pH was fluctuating, and many of you have told me that they have reformulated their product and the color is different right now of the product, because previously it was brownish and it was turning more and more brown with time, so it was a confusing experience. So yeah, I have been trying out this, and this is pretty good. It does the job pretty well, and I like this. So far so good. And I got their aloe green tea gel unscented as well. I'm really disappointed with this product to be very honest. The ingredients are okay. Actually, the main issue I have with the texture of this product, very disappointing. I'm going to talk about this in details very soon, but I had high hopes from this, and when I saw the ingredients I saw a few things I didn't like, but then still I went ahead because it had this 2% panthenol, which is very good, soothing and calming, but the texture is extremely watery, and there are other things I don't like about this product. Okay, I'm gonna talk about it soon. So up next I have these two sunscreens. This is from Suncross. This is the physical sunscreen, and this is Bello Photostable. This is chemical sunscreen, and I have ordered another sunscreen, but I have not received it yet. So yeah, the sunscreen video is coming really soon. So now I have these two products from Minimalist, then multi-peptide serum and vitamin C serum. I have not started using this one yet. I have started using this vitamin C serum though. I have used this just 2 times till now, and I have been using this at night. I have been using this on the alternative days. I'm not using this every day, every other day, because if you know my channel, if you have been watching my videos, you will know vitamin C, it doesn't react that well on my skin, especially if I use this for a long term, so I'm being extra cautious, and it didn't give me any reaction till now, but it will take me like 1 month to give a review of these products. And I'm going to review their arbutin serum and niacinamide 5% serum very soon, in like 2-3 days. because I have been using those two products for a long time. So next I have this Moist cleansing lotion. I got this because Neutrogena gentle cleanser is not available anymore. I couldn't find it. I cannot recommend this to you because it is written on the packaging that to be sold only with the prescription, but I could buy this without prescription from Amazon, and this is just a cleanser. I used this once. I got the small bottle. That time I didn't know that, you know, I cannot recommend this to you because it has to be sold with the medical prescription, which is no one is following that, because on Amazon you can buy it without prescription, even other websites. So I tried that small bottle. It worked very well for my skin. Yes, it has fragrance, but this is a washer product, so it won't be an issue. The ingredients list, I don't think is listed from highest to lowest concentration, but this is good. It worked very well on my skin. This is gentle, and it has this pH of 5.6. As I told you, it feels very gentle, non-stripping, and this is very budget friendly. Like, I got 400 ml of product for 400, I think. So if you can get a prescription, you can get it. But this is just a cleanser. I mean, it doesn't have any actives like, you know, salicylic acid or something azelaic acid. So I think can be used, but I'm not recommending it to you, to be technically right. Okay, I have ordered this Requel hair mask as well. I have not received it yet. I have ordered few makeups, lip tint, then kajal stuff, and I'm excited to review those things very soon. I need to show you one thing. I have been trying out this Rise mask. This is not from an Indian brand, this is from a Korean brand. I'm highly disappointed with this product, but I'm going to review this tomorrow maybe. I had high hopes, but this disappointed me. And I have ordered a few moisturizers from Indian pharma brands and excited to use them and review them. So yeah, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for being there. I cherish you all of you, and thank you for all the love and support. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.